going to make Rakhi using different pulses. So let's start.
We will need Fevicol, earbuds, small dish, chart paper cut in circular and strip pattern, a pair of scissors, and all the different pulses available in your kitchen. Let's start the activity by taking some Fevicol in the dish. First, we will stick the circular chart paper on the long strip. This will look like a watch. Using earbuds, apply some glue in the center. I am going to make simple circular pattern for you. You can make many beautiful patterns using your imaginations like flower, leaves, etc. I am using only 4 pulses, but you can use many more pulses and cereals like wheat, rice, tur dal, moong dal, sabudana. Friends, your Rakhi will look more beautiful when you will use more pulses. This is one of the simplest pattern. Similarly, you can decorate the strip of the Rakhi. Do comment the different pattern we can make using pulses. Our Rakhi is ready. Thank you.